The key benefits in this product are maturity benefit, where you get the fund value plus a guaranteed maturity addition. Benefit number 2, death benefit. And benefit number 3, extra allocation. That means the company will invest into your fund basing on the term which you choose. And you also get tax benefits under this product under sections 80C and 1010D. Let's see how this product works. Step 1. You choose the policy term from 15, 20, 25 and 30 years. And you pay the premium for the entire term basis your chosen term. And step 2. You have a choice of funds to invest. Let's understand this product with an example of Mr. Srinivas, who is 32 years old and who plans to pay a premium of 25,000 rupees per annum and who has selected a term of 20 years. And what he will get on the maturity. Benefit number 1. On the maturity, Srinivas will get the fund value plus 8% of the fund value as guaranteed maturity addition. Benefit number 2. If there is any unfortunate death during the term of the policy, his nominee will get the higher of the sum assured or the fund value. And benefit number 3, extra allocation. That means the company will add to his premium and that money will be invested into his fund. That means from 3rd to 10th year of the policy, the company will add 1% of the premium. In this case, 1% of 25,000, that is 250 rupees. And this 250 rupees are added to Srinivas's fund on a yearly basis from 3rd to 10th year. And from 11th year till 20th year, the company will add 2% of his premium to the fund. So that comes to 500 rupees. So 500 rupees is the extra money which is being given from the company to add the fund of Srinivas. To summarize, Srinivas has taken this plan in 2010 and will continue till 2030 with a premium of 25,000 rupees per annum. And he will get a maturity benefit of the fund value, which is 11 lakhs, plus guaranteed maturity addition, which is 8% of the fund value, which will become 1 lakh. So total maturity benefit of 12 lakh rupees. And in between, if there is a death, then his nominee will get the higher of the sum assured or fund value. Riders are the extra benefits on the base policy, which come with a minimum cost. ADB rider. ADB means accidental death benefit rider. Let's see an example to understand the additional benefit of taking ADB rider. Mr. X has purchased a basic policy for sum assured of rupees 5 lakhs without ADB rider. If there is an unfortunate death of the customer, then his nominee will get the 5 lakh rupees sum assurance from the base policy. But if the same customer had bought this base policy with a sum assurance of 5 lakhs and accidental death benefit rider with the same sum assurance of 5 lakhs, then if there is any unfortunate death due to an accident, his nominee will get the 5 lakh rupees of the base policy plus 5 lakh rupees for accidental death benefit rider. So a total of 10 lakh rupees as death benefit. Dear customer, congratulations and welcome to our family. Your life insurance policy is your property with us, and the proposal form which you are filling right now is the basis of your property. Hence, please make it a point to furnish all genuine information for our easy claim settlement. So if you wish to plan for any other dream, please select from Crisp and take the help of our agent and repeat the same process. We hope that we have been able to help you in your personal financial planning. And if you appreciate our effort, please do refer us, your friends, your relatives, maybe your colleagues, maybe your neighbors, or even your customers, for our agents to continue the similar process to help families like you. And finally, once again, we thank you so much for giving us this opportunity.